could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart.
Good morning, friends, and welcome back. So today is Friday, and we just finished up brunch, getting ready to start school with Sophie. Katie's been doing her school. We are really getting towards the end of the school year and the semester. So Sophie and I today decided to take school outside. We are out here on the screen porch. We brought all of her stuff. We have only math and language arts left for the year. So we are finishing up Sophie's school. So our planned end date is May 13th. So that's 1, 2, 3. Basically, we have 3 weeks of school left. But she has already finished her science, history, and Bible for the year. She really can be done with handwriting at any time because she's had so much of it this year. So we're just kind of doing that here and there as she wants to do it. But we are going to continue with math and language arts until we get to our, what I've kind of called our last day of school, May 13th. So that's what we're doing. Good morning, Sophie.
Good morning.
How you feeling this morning?
Good.
You ready for school?
Yes.
Yeah. And Katie is doing her school in her room. She's got a Zoom meeting today with her professor, 2 English projects left, a math final. So like next week for her, is it next week? Let's see. So next week for her is the last day of classes, and then after that she goes into exam week, and then she is done with school. And then we kind of go into graduation season, don't we? Time for Sissy to graduate. Isn't that crazy? How do you feel about Sissy graduating?
Good.
Good.
I feel good about that.
Yeah. She's going to go to college, isn't she?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's smart. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get done with school. We're also working on laundry today. I also need to get some groceries, so we'll just kind of take you along and see how it goes. Okay. Yeah, Mommy definitely needs the glasses. You ready?
Here you go.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. And first we're going to skip count by 3s, okay? Ready?
3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 18, 20, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36.
Good job. Okay. So one of the things it has in here for us to do is skip counting backwards from 200, and I never do that with Sophie. We're still working on skip counting forward, so we're going to skip count from 25 to 200. Okay, ready?
I know how to say it. 25, 50, 75, 125,
100, 125, 100.
50, 175, 200.
Good job. Okay, so we are going to work on quick math. 8 plus 7 is?
8 plus 7 is?
So we can think about our doubles. 8 plus 8 is?
15.
So 8 plus 7 is?
Okay.
15, right?
Yes.
Because it's 1 less. What's 6 plus 3?
9.
7 plus 6 is?
50. 40.
Good. 9 plus 8 is?
50.
Nope, let's think about this. 9 plus 9 is?
18.
So 9 plus 8 would be?
18.
17.
17.
5 plus 6 is?
11.
7 plus 4 is?
11. Yeah.
Good job. All right, in previous lessons you have learned how to measure the length of an object. Today you're going to learn how to measure volume, which is the amount of space a liquid or an object takes up. In the U.S. customary system, volume is measured using gallons, quarts, pints, and cups. So like Mommy's measuring cup, that's
Right.
measuring volume. Or you have like the volume of a milk container or an orange juice container. So it's the amount that liquid takes up, okay?
Just like if you want to measure something, you have to do the right kind of number if you want to go like up or what thing.
So this is the gallon.
Gallon.
Okay, so that's like a big jug of milk. Sometimes we get a half gallon of milk, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so This is the gallon.
Gallon.
These are quarts. So
Four.
how many quarts are in a gallon?
3.
One,
1,
2, 3, 4.
4.
So there's 4 quarts.
Okay.
Okay. How many pints? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 pints in a gallon. I love the little check boxes on the Good and Beautiful. All right, so that was all your new stuff. Now we're going to do some review.
Yeah.
Okay. Write the standard form and expanded form for each set of base 10 items. So, okay, so write it down. To what? 1,000.
We get water deal.
2,000. How many hundred?
2.
Okay.
2. 2.
And then how many tens?
One.
And how many ones?
2.
Okay. So let's read this. 2.
2,000. 2.
2,000. 2.
100.
And then
12.
good. So write 2,000.
With 2 zeros or 3 zeros?
3 zeros for 1,000. 2,000. 200.
200.
Mhm.
But 200 is like the same.
Except it doesn't have 3 zeros. It has 2. Okay. And then how many tens?
1.
So you write
100.
no. You just write 10.
It can.
And how?
It's supposed to be like that.
All right. Do you remember your months? Let's say our thing. 30 days has
September,
April,
June,
June, and
November.
all the
The
rest
rest
have
have
31, except for February. Okay, so do we have April? That's March. So put, what do you put here?
31.
30 days has September, April, June,
40
and
days.
November. So
30.
they're good.
And what about that?
30 days has September. So what do you put there?
30.
Good job reading your months. Okay. Now it says complete the problems, then round the sums to the nearest 10 and write them in the purple boxes. Okay, so these are adding. 6 plus 5 is
6 plus 5 is 11.
good. Carry the,
1.
okay. 3 plus 1 is,
It's 4.
and 4 plus 5 is,
It's 9.
okay.
You know what it is?
So it's 91. We can either round down to 90, or we can round up to,
Yeah.
counting by tens, what comes after 90? 100.
100.
So we can either go down to 90 or up to 100. So we look at the ones place. What's in the ones place?
2, 9.
Sophie, read this
1.
number. 1. Yeah.
The 1.
Yeah. So is 1 less than 5? It is less than 5, so we go down. So
Yeah.
what's it rounded to?
2.
If we round down, we're just going to take this number and put a 0 after it. So it's 90.
90.
Okay? 5 plus 2 is?
Yeah.
So it's about 1 o'clock. We finished up school. Sophie's in her room playing. You want to open some windows for you? Have some light? Oops, there we go.
That's good.
Is that better? So Sophie's playing. I am getting ready to tackle the kitchen because I haven't really cleaned up since breakfast. So I'm going to go ahead and get all this stuff put up, and then I need to go to the grocery store.
Sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope. Fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you
Friends, we'd love to pray for you. If we can pray for you, let us know in the comments below.
Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Dreaming of you.
Sophie and I are back from the store, so I'll go ahead and give you a little haul of what we got this week for groceries. I haven't been to Sam's in a while, but we still have a bunch of meat from the last time we went, so I really didn't need to buy any meat, so this is kind of like everything else. Okay, starting on this end, we have some Olive Garden Italian dressing, which I use for marinating. I probably should have gotten that at Sam's, but it was just convenient to buy it while I had it on my mind. Some syrup for them for breakfast. Some popcorn. This is the noodles that Sophie and Katie like. So I got some of those. I got 2 18 packs of the cage-free brown eggs that they have at Harris Teeter. Some ranch dressing that we like. Some crunchy granola. A little bit of yogurt. Some sour cream. And then the bread stuff we got. These mini bagels for Katie. The cinnamon raisin bread for Sophie, and then we got some regular bread, and then 2 packs of these Santitas that we try to keep for nachos and, you know, just Mexican meals. Then the bulk of what we got was produce, so I got some corn, some Roma tomatoes, some bananas, some raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, and strawberries, some bell peppers, some avocados, some zucchini and cucumber, not sure which one's which in the bag, some broccoli, some carrots, some potatoes, a bag of salad, and then more pantry stuff, or we got some jelly, some peanut butter, some salsa and some barbecue sauce, and then this Chex Mix for the girls. They both like that. And so this is kind of like our junk food section here. Sophie picked out these Oreo cones, and then we also got these little mini cones, which are lower points on Weight Watchers. They're like 7 or 8 points, so I got those just in case I decide to eat ice cream. And then I got this creamy melt. This is probably our favorite cheese that we like, the triple cheddar creamy melt. We also like the Tillamook cheese, but a lot of times they don't have it where we can shop. And then I got the $5 floral bouquet. I got these yellow flowers. Now I'm just putting together a really quick meal. I'm making nachos. I do this probably once a week, and I just use things that are left over. In this case, I have sauteed some onions and peppers to make them sort of fajita style, and I'm going to be using some leftover grilled marinated chicken, and I'll add that on as well, and then top it with some cheese and just put it in the oven until the cheese melts. right, we finished up dinner. We're getting ready to go for a bike ride. Gary's pulling all of the bikes out. We haven't been on a bike ride in quite a while because Gary hasn't been here. And so with Sophie, he's the only one that can really pull her on the tandem. So Katie will go by herself when Gary's gone, or because of school. Yep. You ready, Sophie? We saw this deer while we were biking. I wanted to try to catch some footage and put it in here for y'all. Thanks for hanging out with us today, friend. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Oh, how easy it's to forget. Still thinking about how we met. Yeah, I'm with you now.